Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of software engineering subject. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about system testing as well as acceptance testing. Okay, so let's start with system testing. In system testing, so software and other system elements are tested. To test computer software, you spiral out in a clockwise direction along streamline that increases the scope of the testing with each turn. System testing verifies that all elements mesh properly and overall system function is achieved. System testing is actually a series of different tests whose primary purpose is to fully exercise the computer based system. For it, we have four types of testing. First one is recovery testing, second one is security testing, third one is stress testing, and fourth one is performance testing. So let's start with the recovery testing. It is a system that forces the software to fail in variety of ways and verifies that recovery is properly performed. Means it will break the system in various ways. Means if system fails and after that system recovery is possible or not, that will be checked into recovery testing. If recovery is automatic, reinitialization, checkpoint mechanism, data recovery and restart are evaluated for correctness. So in terms of automatic recovery, this thing will be tested. If recovery requires human interaction, means it is manual, then mean time to repair, means how many times it takes to repair, is evaluated to determine whether it is within acceptable limit or not. Next one is security testing. It attempts to verify software protection mechanism which protects it from improper penetration, or we can say improper access. During this test, the tester plays the role of the individual who desired to penetrate the system. Means if any hacker wants to access your system, that will be tested into the security testing. Next one is stress testing. In stress testing, it executes a system in a manner that demands resources in abnormal quantity, frequency or volume. A variation of stress testing to a technique called sensitivity testing. Means if we are making a system which will be worked by 100 people at a time, then we will check that 200, 300, 400 people access that system at a time. Then how it performs, means what is the stress performed on this system, that will be stress testing. Next one is performance testing. It is designed to test the runtime performance of software. It occurs throughout all steps in testing process. Even at the unit testing level, the performance of an individual module may be tested. Means how the system performs, how the desired work is done by the system, that will be into the performance testing. Okay, so this is four types of system testing. First one is recovery, second one is security, third one is stress testing, and fourth one is performance testing. In all of these, all the integrated modules will be tested by the tester, or we can say developer. Now next is acceptance testing. Acceptance means acceptable by system user, means acceptable by customer or not, that will be tested into acceptance testing. It is a level of software testing where a system is tested for acceptability. The purpose of this test is to evaluate the system's compliance with the business requirement, means how the business requirement meet. It is a formal testing conducted to determine whether or not a system satisfies the acceptance criteria, means user accept it or not, with respect to user need, requirement and business processes. It performed after system testing and before making the system available for actual use. So this is it for acceptance testing. In next video lecture, we will discuss about white box testing and black box testing. Okay, so this is it for today's lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you, friends.